Welcome to our course on building a JavaScript memory game from scratch. And my name is Lawrence. I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I come to you with over 18 years of web development experience, and I'm so excited to have the opportunity to present this course to you today. This course is going to cover how to use JavaScript and apply JavaScript to build out a project from scratch. So we're going to start out with a completely blank file, and we're going to build out a memory game. So basically, a memory game is that we've got a set of tiles. We flip over the tiles until we get a match. And if we do get a match, then we don't need to flip over the tiles anymore, and until all of the tiles on the board get uncovered. So this is an example of the project that we're going to be building out. So there's a number of steps that we're going to take in order to build this project out, and it's going to be completely from scratch. I'm going to show you how to set up your work environment, providing links and resources in order to set yourself up and be able to build out this type of project from scratch. We're going to show you how to build out a basic HTML template, and then how to develop the concepts for the gameplay, showing you all the different amazing functionality that you need in order to develop a game just like this using JavaScript. We're going to look at loops, how they can save some time. We're also going to explore click events. So that's what makes everything interactive within this game. Basically that there's event listeners, and whenever I'm clicking on these, then some functions get fired off, and that's what creates the gameplay and the interaction for users. So with every game, having random elements in the game is really important, and I'm going to show you how to set those up within this gameplay as well. We're going to look at how we can dynamically generate some HTML content. So the whole game board is going to get dynamically generated out. And we're also going to look at how we can interact with the DOM, pick up information from the DOM, and update elements in the DOM. So you see that there's messages here that are changing for the user. We've got a start button. So a lot of different elements within the DOM. And we're going to be using arrays to store data and information as well. So I'm going to show you how you can build out the array, how you can shuffle the array, and just basically do a whole bunch of really cool stuff with arrays. And these are going to be some of the core principles of this game. So another useful part is that we need to randomize the contents of the array. So we start out with a basic array of images, and I'm going to show you how you can randomize that content so that you can build out a different game board every time. So that's really important for having good gameplay. And then also how to apply logic to be able to tell if the user, if there's a match, and then how to continue the game until we can finally finish up the game, how to lock out users and prevent them from just clicking a bunch of tiles when we're not ready for the new tiles. Also how to debug and tweak the application to customize it, testing out to see when the game logic needs to be applied and how it can get applied within the code. All of the source code is included, as well as I encourage you throughout the course to try it out for yourself and test out how you can use JavaScript to build out your own version of this game. We're going to look at timers and a whole lot more. So again, the source code is included. So I do encourage you to practice and work alongside when we build out this game from scratch. So when you're ready, in the next lesson, we're going to begin to build out this application from scratch.